Hello trombones and euphoniums and bass guitars, and welcome to your first guided music practice session. Today we are going to be practicing and revising our first 5 notes, identifying them in our music and making sure that we can play them. And then we're going to be learning about fermatas and ties. You'll be successful when you can explain to yourself or a family member how fermatas and ties work or what they mean, and you can play the first 5 notes in your music. Let's get started. First of all, pause me now and see if you can remember how to play the first 5 notes. Let's play them together, starting with B flat. B flat. For euphonium, remember that's 0 fingers. For bass guitar, first finger, first fret. Now let's do C. And now D. And now E flat. And F. And let's do all of those again. So remember euphoniums, B flat, C, D, E flat, F. Let's do it all together. Now we're going to see if we can identify them in our music. So we're going to open up to exercise 22, scaling new heights. In exercise 22, you'll see that it uses all of our first 5 notes. See if you can find them now. See if you can point and say the notes with me. B flat 2, C 2, D 2, E flat 2, F 2, F 2, F 2, 3, 4, E flat 2, F 2, D 2, F 2, C 2, F 2, B flat 2, 3, 4. Now pause and see if you can do that all by yourself. Once you've done that, let's see if we can play it together. Nice and slowly, and I'll do it a couple of times with the different fingerings. So starting with the trombone, 2 counts on each note to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause and see if you can play it on your own. If you need to take it in smaller sections, practice it bit by bit, pausing and rewinding as you need to. Now let's do it again on euphonium. So I'm going to do the fingers and sing the notes. B flat, E, C, D, E flat, F, 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 E flat, F, D, F, C, F, B flat. So I'm going to do the fingers and sing the notes. B flat, E, C, D, E flat, F, 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 E flat, F, D, F, C, F, B flat. Now let's try it and do it all together. One more time. pause and practice that as many times as you need to until it feels easy, making sure that you can identify all of the notes with the correct slide positions. Remember, you want to match them up. Now let's go to exercise 24, or Clair de la Lune. Or Clair de la Lune only uses our first 3 notes. So this song should be really, really easy for us. What I want you to do is pause now and see if you can sing and do the positions or fingers on your own to start with. Now we're going to do it together. So singing, slide positions and fingers from the beginning. B flat, B flat, B flat, C, D, C, B flat, D, C, C, B flat, keep going. B flat, B flat, B flat, C, D, C, B flat, D, C, C, B flat. Now see if you can do it again on your own and work out how it's supposed to sound. Pause it now. Now let's play it together. First, let's just do the first 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check. Did your fingers or slide match the notes that you were reading on the page? Let's do it again. First 2 bars. And now do it 2 more times on your own. Pause it here. Now let's do the next 2 bars. And 1 more time. See if you can do it 2 more times on your own. Pause it here. Now look at the next 4 bars. What do you notice about the last 4 bars compared to the first 4 bars? Hopefully you said that they look exactly the same. Which means now that we can play the first 4 bars, we can definitely play the last 4 bars. So let's do it again, this time with smart music. Hopefully you felt like revising the first 5 notes was really easy. Now let's learn what fermatas are and what ties are. So fermatas are a little semicircle on top of a dot. They go on top of a note, and this note is then held for longer than its usual value. Let's go to fermatas are us, exercise 30. See how many fermatas you can find on your page. Hopefully the answer is 4. There are 4 fermatas. Now look at the first note that has a fermata. You can see that it's on an F. That F usually goes for 2 counts. How long do you think it will go for now? If you think it will go for 3 counts, you are correct. 4 counts, still correct. 5 counts, it can go for as long as your teacher, smart music, or the conductor says. If you are playing on your own, you can play it for as long as you like, as long as you don't stop and restart. So let's do it with smart music, not with smart music, just that fermata. So an F held for at least 3 counts. Hopefully that was really easy. Now find the next fermata and play that one on your own. Pause now. Now play the next 2 exactly the same. the D and the B flat. One of them will go for longer than 1 count and the other one will go for longer than 4 counts. Pause now. Now let's say the notes and do the fingers from the beginning. D, E flat, F2, F2, hold. E flat, D, C, D, B flat, 2, hold. D, 2, F, E flat, D, C, B flat, C, D, hold. D, B flat, C, B flat, 2, 3, 4, hold. Hopefully that wasn't too tricky. Pause and do it on your own as many times as you need to until it feels easy. Now let's see if we can play up till the first pause together. 1, 2, 3, 4. See if you can do the next bit on your own. Pause now. Let's see if you were correct. Play it together. How did you go? Do it as many times as you need to. Pause here. Now join the first 2 groups together. So both the first pause and the second pause from the beginning. Pause here. Now play all of that with me. Well done. Now see if you can work out the rest on your own. Pause here. Now let's play the second half all together. Let's do it one more time for the euphoniums to check their fingers. So from the beginning, and I'll do the fingerings. D, E flat, F2, F2, 3, hold. E flat, D, C, D, B flat, 2, hold. D, 2, F, E flat, D, C, B flat, C, D, hold. C, B flat, 2, 3, 4, hold. Hopefully that made sense. How did you go understanding fermatas? Can you tell yourself right now what a fermata is and what it does to a note? Once you've done that, turn to exercise 33 where it says tie and tie again. Ties are lines that connect 2 notes that are the same and make them one long note. See how many ties you can see in exercise 33. Hopefully the answer is 5 ties. How long does the first tie go for? We have a 2 count note tied to another 2 count note. Good, hopefully you said that's 4. Just like in maths, 2 plus 2 equals 4, and so that note goes for 4 counts. How long does the next tie go for? How long does the next tie go for? Are there any ties that we don't know how long they go for? Hopefully the answer is no. Now let's go from the beginning Say the notes and the counting. For example, B flat, 2, 3, 4, your turn. B flat, 2, 3, 4, then F, 2, 3, 4, then B flat, 2, 3, 4, then E flat, 2, 3, 4, then B flat, 2, B flat, 2, C, 2, F, 2, B flat, 2, E flat, 2, D, 2, 3, 4. See if you can sing and do the positions and the counting all the way from the beginning by yourself. Pause here. Now let's do it all together, singing and fingers or slide positions. B flat, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 2, 3, 4, E flat, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 2, B flat, 2, C, 2, F, 2, B flat, 2, E flat, 2, D, 2, 3, 4, hold. Now let's see if we can play it with smart music, just the first 4 bars. How did you go? Repeat that as many times as you need to, pausing here. Now let's play the next 4 bars. Were you counting the numbers in your head just like we were when we were singing it? Let's do it again and make sure that you are counting in your heads. Pause and practice that as many times as you need to. Now let's review. How successful were you in understanding what a fermata is? How about a tie? How did you go matching your first 5 notes to the correct fingers and slide positions to your music? Give yourself a score out of 10. Keep up the good work and happy practicing!